The XP Power NanoFlex is a low-profile, modular medical and industrial power supply with an AC input range of 80 to 264 VAC. The operating temperature range is -40 to +70 degrees Celsius. This carries industrial and medical certifications. This has an adjustable output voltage, built-in PFC, remote sense, remote on-off, and graphical user interface. This also carries 2 built-in intelligent fans with speed control and a built-in 5-volt, 2-amp standby output. Protections include overvoltage, overload, short circuit, and overtemperature with an XP Power 3-year warranty. The Meanwell RSDH150 is a convection-cooled enclosed DC-DC converter with an ultra-wide 6-to-1 input range. The operating temperature range is -40 to +80 degrees Celsius. I/O isolation is 4000 VAC. This can withstand 1700 VDC surge input for 10 seconds. This carries adjustable output voltage and overvoltage category 2. Protections include short circuit, overload, overvoltage, overtemperature, DC input undervoltage, DC input reverse polarity, and carries a Meanwell 3-year warranty. The Meanwell RSDH300 is a 300-watt convection-cooled enclosed DC-DC converter, ultra-wide 6-to-1 input range. Operating temperature range is -40 to +80 degrees Celsius. I/O isolation is 4000 VAC. This can withstand 1700 VDC surge input for 10 seconds. This has an adjustable output voltage with overvoltage category 2. Protections include short circuit, overload, overvoltage, overtemp, DC input undervoltage, and DC reverse polarity, and this carries a Meanwell 3-year warranty. The TRACO Power TEP-150 UIR is a half-brick PCB mount railway DC-DC converter. This has an ultra-wide 12-to-1 input range with an operating temperature of -40 to +50 degrees Celsius. This carries UL 623681 Industrial Safety Cert. This is MIL Standard 810F, EN 50155 Railway Standard, and EN 61373 Shock and Vibration certed. I/O isolation is 3000 VAC. This has an adjustable output voltage with remote sense and remote on-off. Protections include short circuit, overtemperature, and overvoltage, and this carries a TRACO Power 3-year warranty. The TRACO Power TEP-200 UIR is a half-brick PCB mount railway DC-DC converter, ultra-wide 12-to-1 input range, operating temperature of -40 to +40 degrees Celsius. This has the Industrial Safety Cert UL 623681. This also has MIL Standard 810F, EN 50155, and EN 6173. This has an I/O isolation of 3000 VAC and adjustable output voltage and remote sense and remote on-off. Protections include short circuit, overtemperature, and overvoltage, and this carries a TRACO Power 3-year warranty. The TRACO Power TIB-BCMU is a DC UPS battery control module. This has a DC bus rating of 24 to 28.5 VDC with a 10 amp max. Operating temperature is 0 to +60 degrees Celsius with no derating. Industrial safety certs include IEC EN 623681 and UL 61010-1. You have a choice of charge current between 1.2 amps and 2.4 amps max. External battery fuse is a 15 amp F-blade type fast fuse. This has a relay contact and LED indicator for the DC bus OK, battery fail, and battery discharge. Protections include battery reverse polarity, short circuit, overload, and deep discharge. And this also carries a TRACO Power 3-year warranty.